So, Josh, here's what's interesting about this. Do you think if Husel actually is guilty of this, if he committed a crime, if he murdered these patients, even if you consider it reckless homicide, if the jury comes back with that, should any of the nurses be criminally charged? That's what the defense has been saying. They said that if you believe this is murder, it's a conspiracy, and multiple people are involved, and yet it's only Husel who's on trial. They were a part of it as well, no?
Jesse, you make an excellent point. This is a team, right? This wasn't happening behind closed doors and one doctor with a syringe injecting folks. He's giving orders to nurses. Nurses have supervisors. I imagine there's a whole slew of people that these orders have to go through before they actually end up being administered to a patient. And you make an excellent point. What about them? Where's their involvement? The other question I've always had in this is that if these doses in and of themselves were so shockingly high, why isn't he being stopped on patient number one? If 1,000 milligrams is just so shockingly high that we would never expect that to be administered, why wasn't he stopped on patient number one and asked, did you in fact cause this person's death? But instead, this went on for over 3 years. We have 14 charged individuals here, but there was over 25 that people have linked
Right.
to this doctor as being killed. So it's always created a question for me: is where does that line, where is it drawn between medical kind of practice of an art and an actual intentional murder, as you point out?